I hope you are ready. Let's come down onto the floor. We're gonna meet on all fours with the ball under your right knee. Let's go. So I'm gonna go the right side with you, so I'm not working mirror inverted for you, so you're not confused here. So my right leg is also your right leg, all right? So wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. And from here, find that neutral spine position. So relax here for a second, relax your abs, your glutes, and try to keep that natural, that neutral spine position as you find the Pilates powerhouse. So belly button in and up, close the rib arches, pull that imaginary corset a little bit tighter, and then extend the left knee backwards, the left leg. From here, we're gonna collapse towards the floor, inhale. Push out of your shoulder blades, exhale. We're gonna start with a scapular push-up. So breathe in, shoulder blades are moving towards each other. Breathe out, pull them apart. So look to your elbows. They are calm. Your spine is still in a neutral position. You just move your scapulas. So breathe in and breathe out. Let's go for 2 more. Spread the fingers. Press the fingertips into the mat. Good job. 1 more. And then stay here, press out, and then we're gonna release the right toes, belly in and up. We're gonna start with circling the ball. So we're gonna breathe in 1 circle, press the ball into the ground, and breathe out another circle. Good, pressing the ball into the floor, and breathe out. Let's go, 2 more, breathe in, and another circle, breathe out. Good job. And then from here, roll the ball a little bit more to the back so the ball is touching your toes. From here, we're gonna inhale, sending the booty up. You're in a pike position. Exhale, basic plank, grab the ball with the right foot and roll it forwards. Got it? Inhale, booty up to the sky, long spine. Exhale, knee to chest, roll the ball slightly forwards. Breathe in, toes on the ground. And breathe out, roll it forwards. Let's go for 3 more here. The most important thing is to lengthen the spine, so feel free to slightly bend your knees so you can ensure that the back is long. Let's go, last round. Press the ball into the ground. And then stay in the pike position here. Breathe in, lift the right leg up to the sky. And breathe out, we're gonna circle the right leg in the air, tiny circles at the beginning, so you can stabilize your pelvis and your upper body, and then allow the circle to grow. Good job. Breathe in 1 circle, and breathe out another circle. And then stop the movement and reverse, other direction, 6 in total. Breathe in. The left heel is melting down to the ground to create a nice stretch. 2 more to go. Breathe in. Keep the hip closed, pushing the floor away from you with the hands. And then bring the right toes back onto the ground. Drop the knees. Child's pose. Bring the booty onto the heels. Or maybe you want to add the ball here in this position, placing the ball between booty and ground. Whew. Catch your breath. Softening your back, arms and shoulders. So stay present. Follow your breath. Keep the control. Keep breathing consciously. Nice. Breathe in. Breathe out a little bit longer. Last one. Relaxing the wrists, maybe shake them out, and then lengthening the arms forwards again. And exhale, meet me on all fours. So bring the ball under your left knee. We're gonna switch to the other side. So we skip the scapular push-up now because your shoulder stabilizers are already awake. So immediately press out, don't collapse. And extend the right leg back. Make sure your shoulders are above the wrists. Make sure you have enough space around you. And then we're gonna start. Lift the left toes and circle. At the same time, pressing the ball into the ground. Each circle deserves one breath, all right? So breathe in, circle. Breathe out, another circle. And then stop the movement, reverse. Other direction. Not only circle, also press. Press the fingertips into the ground. 2 more. And exhale, finish the circle. From here, roll the ball backwards to your toes, roundabout. So you can lift the booty up into the pike position and then move forwards with your weight, catching the ball and roll it forwards. So breathe in, sitting bones up to the sky, look to your toes. And exhale, grab the ball with the left foot and roll it forwards. Half time is over. 3 more. Maybe it already works a little bit better than in the first round because you warmed up your hamstrings already. Next time when you arrived in the pike position, hold it here. Lifting the left leg without opening the hips. And then you're gonna start the circle. Exhale, 1 circle. Inhale, another circle. 4 more to go. Look to your right toes. Breathe in. And breathe out. Give me 2 more. Stay active in your hands, arms, and shoulders. And then stop the movement and reverse the circle. Tiny first, and then allow the circle to grow. Use that core to stay steady and calm in the rest of the body. Right heel is melting down to the ground. Whew, nice stretch. And then stop the last circle. Bring the toes back onto the ground. Drop your knees. Relax and recover. Softly ground the forehead. Breathe in and breathe out. Here, take some time to feel, to enjoy the warmth in your muscles, the freedom in your joints, the calmness in your mind, in your thoughts. So breathe in and let the exhale be a little bit longer than the inhale. So you can calm your system a little bit faster. And then from here you roll up vertebra by vertebra. Now grab the ball and from here meet me on the right forearm. Now here facing forwards. I'm gonna work mirror inverted for you now. So come down onto your right forearm. This is our starting position. And bring the ball under your left foot. So both ankles are roundabout in one line with hip and elbow. So press all the way out, no couch potato, stay active. And press the ball into the ground, flex the left foot. So from here, we're gonna exhale, extend your right arm, triceps activation, elbow and thigh together. Inhale, lower down. Now lifting your hips, rolling the ball away from you. And inhale, roll towards you. Triceps, power, stretch the arms slowly with control, connect left elbow and thigh. And come down. Lift your hip, extending the left leg. Press the ball into the ground as you come back. And exhale all the way up. Inhale all the way down. Always pressing the ball into the ground. Nice job. We're gonna go for 3 more rounds. Stack both shoulders above each other here. Don't lose the tension in your powerhouse. And try to work a little bit slower. So you really ensure that you don't work with swinging, you only work with muscle power. So this is your last round. Extend. And bend, drop it down. Lifting the hips. And drop the hips. Nice. Roll the ball a little bit closer towards you so you can grab the ball. And you can place it under your waist here. I have to switch the microphone for a second. And then lay down over the ball. Keep the lower right leg bent and extend the left upper leg here. So make sure the ball is not too low. Take it a little bit higher. And then from here, we're gonna interlace the fingers behind your head. Really support the head with your hands here. And then we're gonna lift the upper leg if you want to. It's just an option. Maybe keep it on the ground, maybe keep it in the air. And then from here, we're gonna start pulling the corset a little bit tighter. Exhale, try to lift a little bit. And inhale, lower down. It's not a big motion, don't stress. We're gonna work for the obliques. If you need a little bit of support, then extend the lower arm forwards, pressing the hand down. All the way up and all the way down. Let's go for 4 more. All the way up. As high as you can, all the way down. Relaxing the shoulders. Don't work with swinging. Nice, and then we hold it high, hold it here. Breathe in, lengthen the leg a little bit more. Breathe out, left knee to chest. Twist, connect right elbow and left thigh. Breathe in, roll back forwards. So you really roll a little bit forwards the ball so that you can twist. And inhale, roll back and lengthen, opening up through the upper hip. 6 more, exhale. And inhale. I know this is tough, but you can do it. We can do it together. Breathe out through pursed lips. So I hope you're alone at home. No one sees you or hears you, so try the exhale really loudly. Woo, last 2, come on, breathe in and breathe out. Last 1. And breathe out, crunch and twist. And then stay long with me, hold it here. And we're gonna pulse up, upper body and leg for 8. All right, let's go. 8, 7, 6, a little bit higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, lay down, melt over the ball. Release and enjoy. Good job. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now press all the way up. We're gonna go for the second side. So from here, swing the legs forwards and over to the other side. So bend both legs now for the first series. Bring the ball under your right foot this time. We're gonna start with the arm extension for the triceps. So make sure your starting position is perfect. So ankles, hips, elbow in one line. And then we're gonna start to activate the powerhouse as you exhale. Extend the left arm, connect right elbow and thigh. And lower down, breathe in. Lift the hip, roll the ball, exhale. And inhale, roll the ball towards you, lower down. We're gonna go for 5 more. Exhale. Inhale, lower down. And exhale, lift the pelvis, flex the right foot, and lower down. Good. The right knee is really pointing up to the sky. Really love that series. Here we're gonna include the whole body. It's arm power, shoulder power, core power, leg and booty are also working. But you have to press the ball down into the ground. 3 more to go. Keeping the lower leg, pressing into the mat. Rise up with the hips, stacking both shoulders above each other. Look forwards. So this is already your last round. All the way up and all the way down. Squeezing the ball, roll away and towards you. Roll the ball a little bit closer to you and place it under your waist here. Not too low. Stretch the upper leg. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Make sure the lower elbow is not touching the floor like this. So lift the leg if you want more, and then we're gonna go for 8 side crunches. Are you ready? Breathe in and breathe out, lift. Breathe in, lower, and breathe out, lift. If you need a little bit of support, take it. Extend the lower arm forward and press the hand into the mat. Got it? Let's go. Finding your option. 4 more. Don't judge yourself. Breathe in curiosity, breathe out judgment. So listen to your body, what you need today. Every day is different. And we're not here because we have to, but because we want to, hopefully. Let's go. Last one. Hold it high, breathe in, and then breathe out. Pull the knee to the chest, twist, connect left elbow and right thigh. Breathe in, lengthening, look forwards. And breathe out, twisting, rolling the ball so you can twist a little bit better. Roll the ball slightly backwards, opening again. 6 more. Roll and twist. And roll and open. Half time is over. Zip everything in and up. You got this. Really support your head here with the hands. Two more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. And stay long, facing me. And then we're gonna go for 8 pulses. Count with me, leg and upper body. 8, 7, you got this, come on. I believe in you. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and relax. Lay down, melt over the ball. Whoo, nice job. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this workout. Let's meet in a live stream via Zoom to connect, to bring your workout routine to the next level. Chat with me, get real-time feedback. I hope to see you there. If you're interested in a live stream with me, click the link over here or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.